Hey guys, this is Peter Oxwilder. Whilst making my latest video, I started playing around with video sources in Streamlabs OBS, and I managed to get my phone camera working as a wireless video source. I thought it would be useful to make this video then to show you exactly how to set that up in a sort of quick, clear and concise way. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is get my phone, and I'm going to go to the Play Store, and I'm going to, I've already looked it up, but if you search for Streamlabs, just install the official app. Okay, now that's installed, we're going to open the app. Go through the admissions, that's fine. And I've already done this before, but if you go into editor layers, you can see I've removed the default layers and I've added one that's just for my camera. So if you add camera there, now I've added two, just remove one of those. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is just scroll down to the bottom, and you'll see this is already in advanced mode, but if I press that simple, you might see this screen. So just click on go to advanced settings, do a pop-up, continue, scroll down to the bottom, and we want to select LAN streaming. Okay, once we're in LAN streaming, we're going to select the video resolution. I'm just going to choose 1080p. I'll use the default video encoder, and I'll leave the bitrate as it is just now. Okay, so next, and it'll ask you some more admissions for your microphone, fine. And you'll get this screen. So if I select get stream URL, just go to my browser, then you'll see that it's going to give me a URL there. So now what we're going to do is we'll pop over to our Streamlabs OBS on PC, and I'm just add a new scene. And I'll just call this phone stream. Okay, and I'll add a source. It's going to be of type media source. And I'm going to create a new source, and we'll call this Okay, uncheck local file, and here it's going to ask you for input, and in there just enter that URL from your phone. So 1, 2. Obviously this address will depend on your local network settings. Okay, I'll check use hardware decoding, and done. Select that scene, and there we go. So you'll see if I move this left and right that there is quite a bit of delay, but you do have a video source in Streamlabs OBS, and that was quite easy to set up. You'll also notice if I try and scroll up a bit that there is a watermark on the top left hand side with Streamlabs on there. I don't know if that gets removed in the Premiere version, maybe it does. Yeah, but anyway, that is there. But there you go, for free. That's how you can set up a wireless video source quickly in Streamlabs OBS on your phone. So I hope you liked that. If you did, then please think about subscribing to this channel. Smash that like button. And just to let you know, I've got some alternatives to this way of setting up a wireless video source, but I'm going to cover that in a future video. So thanks very much for watching. Take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.